So now I'm going to show you how to add with chismbop. So what I would recommend when you teach a child how to add with chismbop, you just I print off like the appropriate like ones sheets or the two sheets, wherever they are in their addition math facts. Or you could simply just go through and do math facts. Write down one side, pluses, and then go 2 through 12 and then equals, and just have them do that however you want to do it. But I have some sample problems here just to show you how you add and the flow of how the numbers go. So I always start with the first number and say, okay, put down 2, and then just how you read it, 2, and then you're going to add 2 to it. So count up 2 more, 1, 2. Okay, so the answer is 4. And my little assistant here is going to write the 4 for me. So then they can write the 4 down. Again, 3. Okay, we're going to add 6 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if they just kind of stop and look at you and they don't know what's going on, say, what number do you have down? That will tell them to look at the numbers that are here. This is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's 9. So then again, we're going to start with 7. I always have them put the number down first. 7, we're at 7. Now let's add 8. Now here's where we're going to use both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that gives me what? And then they look at it for a second. 15. So Beta, can you write 15 for me? Thanks, baby. Good job. All right, so now we're getting into some larger math facts. Now, a lot of times they can write, here, give me this. A lot of times they may do the math fact with the 12 here, and you go 5 plus 2. I try to sometimes get my kids to do larger numbers. Let's start with 15. Okay, I've got 15 down. Now let's count up 12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's 27. So you want to write 27 over there for me? So I typically have them start with counting up to the number. With 15, they could shorthand it and be like, okay, well, I know there's 10 in there, and that makes, there's 2 more, that's 27. So they can see it. I got to add a 10 and then 2 units, that's 27. A lot of times when they get the numbers really going good and they feel more confident and they're just shooting those numbers out there, you can easily, the math tends to go very, very quickly. So this is a sample on how you add with chismbop. And honestly, just work through math facts on adding, and as they use it, it will continue to grow.